In a city where clocks sneeze at dawn, a shy clocksmith named Mira must repair time before it hiccups forever. She codes lullabies into gears while rubber ducks chime in, offering fate and donuts as advice. When a portal opens in a bakery, pastries demand legal rights, and Mira negotiates with a gluten wizard over the correct hour for tea. The deal hinges on a sneeze-powered alarm clock that only rings when someone laughs at dragons wearing boaties. By sunset, reality settles. Mira pockets a giggling time coin, and the city sighs in perfect, punctual calm.